Me bisa say who insurance for sad dino. If fire guts the house now,
yeah.
what will happen? Sa investment who feel say who investment no ni nyina ye den ashi. Imagine say sa fire call a dynamo, then the next moment unya kidney failure, which is one of the rampant diseases today now.
Right.
Men ka say who the nyame pegu ebetumi esi.
Yeah.
So sika ben na family be depending on.
True.
Nti ube hu say nkrofo omo ye penyi pa omo be start bisa for small sika appeal for fun. When who hear some of your celebrities omo appeal for fun.
Yeah.
And yes sir, they didn't do legacy or they didn't keep things down or do build or those things. But emergencies can happen.
Yeah.
And when they happen, you need money.
Okay.
Breeze 90.9 FM. Your comfort zone.
Okay, so please brace yourself. We are bringing the conversation. I've told we are talking about importance of insurance today. And you'll be having the conversation with an insurance consultant, Madam Benedicta Wugah. So if you're ready, we are too. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Welcome to the show.
Good morning, Sandy. I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to see you as well.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so this morning, people are really bombarding me with, insurance questions. And I said, God, let the consultant come faster and save me. So since you are here, you're welcome to the show again. Can you briefly tell our listeners who you are and your role in the insurance industry?
Okay, my name is Benedicta Wugah.
Okay.
And I'm a financial consultant with Prudential Life Insurance Ghana.
Okay.
But I'm speaking on me, not on behalf of my company.
Okay.
So I just want your listeners to know.
All right.
So anything I say here, it's my thoughts and my words.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So I want to know what inspired your journey into the world of life insurance, and why do you feel it's such a crucial area to talk about today?
All right. So I'm the only daughter of my parents, and I have three brothers.
Wow.
And my parents lived in Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
So they relocated to Nigeria for greener pastures.
Right.
And at a point, I came to Ghana for my schooling.
Okay.
And after my junior high school, I went, after our BC, right?
Okay.
I went to Nigeria to visit my parents.
All right.
And one night, my dad was sick. We rushed him to the hospital, and the next day, he was diagnosed of prostate cancer.
Okay.
Now, I use my personal story to sell because it's a very emotional part of me. And insurance, when you understand it from that point, when you are buying it, it will give clarity to our audience as they listen to us.
Okay.
The night my dad was discharged from the hospital, armed robbers came to our house. They took our belongings. And my mom then, who was a housewife, she was not working, had to travel to Benin to go look for money to take care of my siblings.
Oh.
Now, as a little girl, I was, I think, 13 then.
Okay.
I had to come to Ghana to attend Mauli Secondary School, the best secondary school in Ghana, actually.
Okay.
So I came to Ghana. Life was really tough. I had to stay with people. I slept on the corridor on some days.
Wow.
And the church sometimes had to take care of my school fees. And I was just roaming about, right?
Wow.
To go to school. So I would say I didn't have a very good school. Sometimes during holidays, I go to Nigeria and Benin to help my mom in her business. Or I'm a Kayayo at Aplau border. Yes. Sandy, yes,
serious?
I'm a Kayayo at
Wow.
Aplau border. Just trying to get some money to be able to come back to school, right? Especially during midterms.
Okay.
It's a tough journey. That's why I'm so passionate. If you follow me on my page, I'm so passionate about insurance. So if you don't buy insurance, I feel that you want your children to suffer.
Okay.
That's my mindset.
All right.
Now, coming through school, finished school, started working, so I do electricals. I'm a woman of so many
Really?
skills.
Wow.
So I can fix your electricals in this room.
I'll keep your number. I'll add like electrician / electrical board.
So I did that.
Okay.
And through that, I came to UPSA. I studied marketing.
Okay.
The week of my matriculation, my father passed away. And I came to Ghana with my 2 younger brothers.
Oh my God.
I'm happy to tell you, my videographer here is my brother, my younger brother.
Oh, hi, brother.
So it was tough.
Okay.
Coming to Ghana, no family, nobody, only you. A student, a child taking care of children.
Yeah.
2 boys. And you can see how tough that would be. I scaled through after national service. Most times after school, you've gotten a job. I was not getting a job.
Okay.
Coincidentally, someone went to speak to a client. You know,
Right.
the agents go to clients. And he was like, do you know anybody looking for a job? That's Victoria Betty, who I want to say a very big thank you to her using your platform. Because
Okay.
I am who I am today because she gave me an opportunity.
Wow.
And I joined Plig on the 17th of April 2015. And the journey has been a roller coaster. All these objections you are having in less than 30 minutes.
Yeah.
You can imagine me having those same objections for 10 years
Oh
on
my
the
God.
job. I've grown through the rank.
Okay.
I'm an agency manager. I manage about 70 to 80 financial consultants directly and indirectly. And I believe by the grace of God, for me, I always say I'm not in the industry because of the money.
Okay.
Though money is good, I love money because
is.
Ecclesiastes 10:19 says, money answereth all things. So, but I feel there's little education about insurance.
All right.
And most of us as agents or consultants go into the business just because of the money, and we don't really educate the client. We sell.
All right.
So this is my journey into the insurance space.
Wow, that's a beautiful story right there. So, living in Nigeria, do you have a Nigerian name?
Yes, my name is Ashake.
Ashake.
Yeah.
Oh, Ashake, like the musician.
Ashake
Okay.
Ade. Yes, so it
sounds
means
nice.
that we selected this one and pampered her.
Indeed. Your life is being pampered by God now. I can see that. Okay, so it means we can blend the Chi and the English a little bit, right?
Metumi aka Chi ne kakra.
Kakra.
Oh, me Igbeni o. Enye se me Nigeria, me Igbeni, but Chi no mix kakra.
Because I mentioned that in balance me teachers ne training tie ye be boa boy ho kakra. Okay. So from your work with clients, what do you see as the biggest gap in people's understanding of insurance? Because in ayankofo be bring shada enim emu sembe bebe asembe o matifi abonten ne ade no be cheche mama ye wo ho.
Okay, so yen starting free, what is insurance?
Okay.
Yen starting free or no. So insurance is a contract. Me paucho emphasis, baby, I made the emphasis in it to no. Me per se omuntie me tie for
Omuntie say okay.
Insurance is a contract. That means contract, yes, say me meye masede usu beye wudie.
Okay.
So between the insured and the insurer.
Okay.
The insured is what example me use wo Sandy as an example. Who now ye insured no.
Okay.
Me ye insurer.
Oh.
Right? Me catch out say Sandy for 10 cedis bra. Busu me ana annually, that means yearly and quarterly depending say upese utia.
Okay.
Fabra BBC me ma we.
Okay.
NAFS. So let's understand from that point. Say a contract meaning wo
okay.
Now the second thing is most times, and I won't say myth, be brainy say ebi mu fili say ni boyeding. That's the first myth. Ebi mu fili say claims no ye cumbersome. Me tuya etini de muti free me account mo film. But edu pepe so a me beji dia. Mo be catch me say kofa we bra. Kofa we bra. Yeah, me breaking it down to layman understanding.
Okay.
So that in common ye beti asiye.
Okay. All right.
Me catch ye na ye kwa sorry, perform kwa sorry, and na ye wo welfare wo school ana bibi. Welfare no amu see obia every month obia betua 20 cedis.
Okay.
50 cedis. If I say 50 cedis.
Okay.
Yeah, church welfare, see 50 cedis. Obi papa wua. Udi ube G maybe 10,000. Ya try to ho. Sat 50 cedis no. Ye na yet ya ba maybe ebimu omu papa ni age kosro chain. Ebimu.
Okay.
Instead me papa is 74. Me met ya maybe 200 cedis. Who bet you have to say 50
cedis. Okay.
Because who papa had to say 54 cedis. 54 years, sorry.
Okay.
Now, who papa a free man. Dear na yes udiba asori ne say asori. Hey, me papa wo mo ye church announcement, mommy.
Okay.
Enne baako. Number 2, me welfare dia mo promises say BBC amu di be mama no. Then na mu di be mami.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So yaka true to us say 10,000.
Okay.
So welfare no yesa omu ji the death certificate. On yesa omu ji nyaman kitikiti bi na omu na fam prove say
indeed your dad
to us say this is the name or ni upapa nie no.
Yeah.
We need that evidence
to show.
Okay. That so if wu Sandy untua wo welfare no to say 1 year.
Okay.
Ena upapa wu. Asori ne be ma osika bi. Omu be ma o.
Baby.
Oh. Omu be ma o. Omu ma o. So yet insurance as say to say welfare ana Sandy who maybe Pentecost.
Okay.
And a bema bewaro. I don't know if you are married, but bema bewaro or the will call Presby.
Okay.
And a ujai tiama wo welfare to our Pentecost.
Yeah.
And a ustati wo Presby. Presby see and son I qualify for welfare. Just a wa sorry no for maybe 1 year. And son na who say and yes because umami yare intina. Okay. Then wait to our Pentecost we jai ho. Sikano ena bibis wa jai to yaw. 7 months wo Presby papa wu ye. Presby for bet to yaw.
Okay.
Bet would they pay?
There be some do for a year,
yeah. Pentecost for so we jai to yaw. Omube ma.
International and due time is supposed to pay.
Ube lose it. Then obe kase asore no emboa asore ma. So if we understand it this in the layman understanding, I think we can now continue the conversation.
That's the simple term. When to me and insurance with the time frame now they've given.
Yes,
okay.
Ebi mu wo exclusions.
Okay.
Say BBC ayebeti free money we.
Okay.
When we go into policies
that part, okay.
Explaining. But me per se with listeners
okay.
From welfare. Insurance is just like welfare. Legal welfare. If I want to put it that way.
Okay.
For easier understanding. Maybe we can't contract jargons nebe doors. Welfare.
Okay.
Ma ye na. And as I said, a many uyaba agreements. Who be ya woodie, meso meye medie.
Okay. It's in Pacho, and it will be first time I all talk about insurance. Why is life insurance considered a necessity, not a luxury?
Ma share my story. Mau. Me papa yare no take it to say 6 months. Take it to say 6 months. And sana 6 years, sorry,
6 years.
Pardon me.
Yeah.
And sana year.
Okay.
Or your operation, all right. After 1 year, no, the year.
Okay.
And can me papa wo insurance nyama bia ma ye no maybe me nye. Nyama bia to say nkora 13 years me ye Kayayo wo aflawo. Di enti na me kasa me nye taflache o ye nye poor. Do you understand
yeah.
me? I went to very good schools in Nigeria. Very good prestigious schools. But adiani seno omuto cars no. Omuto nyama no. Just to, keep
The family
because
would-
mommy housewife and son at the NSC. And say by the time better time and me tell me rem no me say obi kasa or no wasi dine and wire way.
Yeah.
Me kasa a dine say no enye no me to me kasa.
Okay.
But who sit down no even a dine who say no me bisa say who insurance for sa dine na unibi. And say a job to if fire gets the house now,
Yeah.
what will happen? Sa investment who feel say who investment no ni nyina ye den ashi. Imagine say sa fire call a dynamo then the next moment unya kidney failure, which is one of the rampant diseases today now.
Right.
Men ka say wo de nyame pegu ebetumi esi.
Yeah.
So uye sa imagine say adiana esi.
Yeah.
Uti masi.
Yeah.
So sika ben na family be depending on.
Sure.
Enti ube who said nkrofo omo ye penyi pa omo be starting bisa for small sika appeal for fun. When who ye some of your celebrities omo ba appeal for fun.
Yeah.
And yes said they didn't do legacy or they didn't keep things down.
Yeah.
Or do build or those things. But emergencies can happen.
Yeah.
And when they happen, you need money.
Okay. So you talked about some myth, say ebi muka se ni boy din. Enti na ni boy di wo ho. So o my range be numbers say ahisi the song you be.
Say a dependent policy a upesa uto.
Okay.
A dependent policy a upesa uto.
All right.
A dependent age. So we have varieties of policy. Your funeral policy, your life plan, your wealth plan, your a lot of policies, right?
Okay.
Now, a dependent dia upesa, but Mike to me mau comfort say we have as little as 3 Ghana cedis for premium monthly.
3
for
Ghana
insurance
cedis.
cover. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. We have as little as 3 Ghana cedis for a monthly cover.
Okay. Now, I want us to talk about the policies. We have this one. Obi EPC, obetimi say choices ni platform ni agreement ni rules and regulation ni hu. Said yet here.
Mean to me met me amount the different types.
Okay.
But the policies no are dependent on your needs.
Okay.
Right? Your needs. Now, so we have the funeral policy. Funeral policy caters for you, your parents-in-law, your foster parents, some cover grandparents, siblings.
Okay.
So we have that. We have wealth plans endowment plan.
Okay.
That is a term policy that has an investment component imbibed in it. That means a insurance and a little portion of investment.
Okay. Joint together.
In it.
Okay.
That's the endowment plan. And I hear what 10 policies. 10 policies no it caters for critical illness, permanent disability, and death. 10 means that a year for period B.
Okay.
And say a year 5 years now pair, a 10 years now pair, a 8 years now pair, a 20 years now pair, a dependent work.
Okay.
So the terms are different. It's a year war or so. And I hear health plan. And say a dependent company bia ne policy.
Okay.
So but these are basically policies are a war markets, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there is this myth of the fact that people keep saying that insurances are for only the elderly or the rich people, not the young. So at what age is a person qualified to do insurance? Any type of insurance?
The legal age in Ghana is 18 years.
Okay.
So me say the moment you di 18 years, u papa ne u mama almost starting ma chop money.
Okay.
Your insurance.
Okay.
DNT na me kasa. Maybe me were 18 years and I made insurance in same year. Me papa wu ye no tafla che o. Me to me Jessica no me de be share me nuamu.
Okay.
Uti ase.
Yeah.
And I me hun nkrofo bebre young guy and ram me one meeting na lady be sending me say me clients be or ho na me signing and I see guy new. I think guy no was 34 35 years.
Okay.
guy no me top policy ni man no or ye ni hu lie or say on turn way and I me catching is say on to but otua do baby no on tua bio since 2019 wajaitia
okay.
You remember asema meka contracts me ko check here no and me hu say on tua
okay.
say we wu no to me man no hwe because policy no hwe ne so
okay
the oyesu a education one maybe owu ye no ye betumi egusu tuama ne ba no on tua premium back mpo 2019 nti oninam ho no obeka kire say me won insurance nkofo bebre me nka say ni nyina o nkofo bebega o me won insurance ukom a omo ni insurance
okay
and meet bimu ye ade a obi aka onwate sa
any experience okay
experience
all right okay so until you say yemfa guy my example say when twe enwie enowu ye nti I want to know say month na otwe akodu ye no the sika no mo very fund my family member na say ashiegu
me paucha ashiegu
wow
because the policy has gone to what we call final lapse.
Okay.
Now, there are some policies that have never lapse. That means never lapse mean utuadu baby and a untu mean tuya cry.
Okay.
Be to say sis eneno. Ye beti be free.
Okay.
Ye beti be free nisike.
Nisikanim.
Okay.
And
I yebe ma omobi.
Okay.
But what you have to say 7 months pay. And a 54 almost 5 years now. 2019 that's 5 years plus almost 6 years. Yembisa because my name say ubie line no. Ohona nkofo be kasa insurance yes come. Wanya sika na yebe kipi e na yedi betua ono. Remember say ye na ye welfare ye sika as I explain say welfare no. Ye na ye sika na omuka bom e na omutua. Me say matua to say 10 years. Me dofo a omu wo so no omu wu ye.
Okay.
For 10 years. Who wait to have to say 7 months. Obi betumi etua as by accident there no waiting period at all. Utua baako and anipa ni wu through accident ye betua o. 100,000 cry ye betua o.
Okay.
Because accidental there obi anka say ene bene there me kwa konya accident no and it's very emotional. So for accidental death waiting period means duration bi ani ho a so utua ansa na we benefit.
Okay.
Nti say ono tua 7 months no yen to me mano nti sa sika otua no ahye.
Okay.
All
right. So I would like to say this message to the Beya Minya answer from there. So Trifina is saying that it's really a scam because my dad passed away 2 years ago. They didn't give us the money, all because we didn't use his phone and number for all those 6 months. Why didn't you give him what he paid previous years? I want to understand. Okay. Or say ne papa etria scan for ne papa we 2 years ago. And oman fani sikano ne papa sikano try and because some say we didn't use his phone and number for all those 6 months. There's otria scano. Oman fa ne papa no number. I think I had that issue personally with that. You say if you're paying the insurance, the number and the name you registered with is the one that will send this card through all the time. I'm who say if you hoba. So that he's asking, so why didn't you give him what he paid previous years? You found us 7 months, okay. We see when we for the 2 years though. But someone could also say, since when we you find us so expected 10,000 cedis at the end of a payment duration is so chiana. Set more money 10,000 in KB we 500 cedis. I didn't know more for 500 cedis ne emano. I think that's what the question is around.
Yes, let's come back to the welfare again.
Okay.
I'm using the welfare to make it easier na ma wutie for no no muti de mekana say.
Okay.
Wetua 7 months.
Okay.
Ena ontua ye remember say kojo papa ni papa ewu.
Okay.
Ya sa ye sika ye contributing ye di ama kojo papa ma 10,000 utua 50 cedis ye be ma 10,000.
Okay.
Maybe kojo papa tua to say 1 year, that's how much 600 cedis, right? Welfare. but ni papa wuye. And I am man of 10,000 cedis.
Okay.
That's 9,400 cedis. Can free him? A mini wu. Ye na yesika na ye di made kojo papa. Esi ata ni mami yare ye. Maybe ye welfare ni su say obi mami yare a ye be mani 2,000.
Yeah.
Ena sika ben na ye sambe yusu. Enye mini wu ye sika na. Ena mi yusu explanation bi say usi unye bio. Unye welfare ni bio.
Yeah.
Because wa worry say u call presby. Omo be ma wa sorry ni be ma say oh wait ya 600 no ansa na eye wo fault say wa worry. Enye wo fault. Wa call presby. Pentecost no be ma 600 cedis wait ya omuma po mi bisa Sandy Mercy mi bisa o omuma
agreement in CNT they can't give that.
Okay. So this lady's question, one, for me it's not clear.
Okay.
I think maybe some mobile money
Yes.
Policies.
Policy.
No.
Okay.
Me sure says so.
Okay.
Now mobile money policies no. To say yeah natural policy.
Okay.
Yeah, my policy number.
Oh.
Right?
All right.
To say me policy number UCF 000 and blah blah. Into me phone number, Mrs. Me phone number cry. Met me use me policy number.
Yeah.
If I call for you me claims.
Okay.
But for the mobile insurance no, policy number phone number. So if my number is 024924500083. Some number no, and me phone number. Phone number.
Okay.
In the system no, that is what my policy number.
Okay.
Wo Sandy, phone number is 024983002228. I'm just mentioning any number.
Okay.
Sad number no the policy number on the mobile insurance.
Insurance. Okay.
Imagine says me use me number. Fatua ma policy. Am I paying for you?
Wow. So that's where the confusion is.
Where the confusion is.
Okay.
Mobile insurance now. Phone number na policy number to my best of my understanding of what I know.
Okay.
That is your in quotes policy number.
Okay.
Number
no.
Fatia.
All the time. Do you see other one as beko, but it's not showing you paid.
Showing in your name. It's a lot of rectifying and all that.
Okay.
To my best, this is my understanding. I'm not in that space. I can't say for sure that is because me mobile DNB.
Okay.
Mikasa.
Okay.
So I'm sorry. I would like to apologize to this person who feels really bitter.
Yeah.
But I think the education about insurance is not really high in Ghana. So even the penetration just around 3%.
Okay.
In Ghana.
Yeah. She said she continued by saying that that's what they've been saying, but when it's time they'll be giving you stories because of what she's saying. Okay, that part is really we will clear that part off. Okay. I think say understanding bebre na ye kosa bebre so can say omema different stories. Say oh yeah, but a baby na okoji osika no nenu so akoya asime si okofa death certificate ba okofa we say branch na ma I say the omo share omo boss omo beyen and no at the end of the day no it happened for them.
Okay, so before I come to that, now let me I want to give this explanation.
Okay.
Ghanaians naturally are not born to do long insurance, or we are not psyched for insurance. We are naturally like we want to buy mortgage or buy a house. When you started your work, what did your parents tell you? Even before Uber car, right?
Yeah.
Obi beto asasi, obe si dan, obe to car, obe ye susu, right?
Yeah.
And it is because insurance no you be separating into two. Your life and your general.
Okay.
General no, we have other types, but I want to say there are some say omu ye compulsory.
Okay.
So general car insurance and mortgage insurance omo ye compulsory and can ye compulsory me sure say nkrofo bebre drivers bebre omo nya insurance because omo feel say me 10 years my driving me nya accident that nti me claim issue nti insurance is a scam paucho ultimacy so that is. But because a compulsory and the law governs it, a ma omuya no by force.
Okay.
Because they have to do it, unless omubechi omu.
All right.
Now for life insurance, police never stop it will say compulsory esa uye life insurance. Yebekun. And yebechi watum. Ombe kasa. Nti life insurance is optional. That is one point.
Choice.
Make clear.
Okay.
Now let's go to the myth. Some of these are myths. I posted, I think last month, and I'm like, why is it that nkrofo amonya claims no? Omunka trem. Nkrofo say, manya claim o.
Yeah.
Ebi mo to say one Perry more office
right.
Ubeji claim pair, Ubeka trem say, Mammy ma Perry who say, Weji claim.
Oh.
And under my post, the for bebre, Omuka say, I didn't make catch omu, Omuna mutia mami, this. So, asembonino edosu
che. Papa no. Okay.
So we are paying claims. A lot of claims.
Okay.
In fact, a lot of claims. Sometimes who claim be me yem shishimi. Because policy be what to say me client last year, through an accident. Yet we are 1 million Ghana cedis mano.
Wow.
This year, Nigeria about for 100,000. That's 10%. We're about for 100,000. Or betting 100,000 until 10 years.
Wow.
At the end of 10 years, yes, some manu 1 million Ghana cedis again. Yes.
Wow.
And as Sika wait, I'm saying Ghana cedis, not old cedis. Sika wait, no, and do 200,000 Ghana cedis. Sandy yere no, o Phyllis Obema ebusia fobe who say, Weji BBC. Onim say Ojia, ebusia fobe, say Omun chess canem.
Yeah.
So these are some of the things. And insurance companies no so. Yambo ehun de robebre.
Very important.
Jai ejumani nyinama agents na omunkoye.
Yeah.
Yes sir, me de bia me catch me crofo say de bia mo bo ehun de ro. Mumma emuhu say even insurance ejumani ye kra. Ye papa che ejuma bia omutu a 1,000 2,000. Tafla che o. Nti yembo hun de ye kasa NIC, kasa na yan who say, yet your claims to say 1 million, you say, Mami, no, want to put it out there. Let's put it out. Let's make noise. It will get a lot of people to now get it.
Okay.
And then lastly, education, you're very low.
Very.
Most of Maka education from the company point.
Yeah.
Now, from us agents, policies, because of yesikasen.
Okay.
Because of sick. Not educating. Okay. Now, I believe in educating the client. They be a make catch me client say, tough me home poor. At least, mama what ya say insurance ni important. So, from that point, and our clients nemo so prospects nemo. Or how they say they should give their chance out the chance na ye educate you.
Okay.
Most times no ye very meeting nipa no ni be kasakra say obe shut it down ni we mpo ebe ma nipa ni be toma instead obe take time be chechre asem ne mu a or direct obe kan dia we ni beji to say make 1 million asem yi me sure say audience bi mu wo ha eye omude pese
put it for because I was about asking you, say Ayana agent neko abontino na explain it to. We said when you to him, so it is welfare. Say any say when you are not taking your money and all that. And we know that some of the agents, they also are on commission basis. So if you bring 2 people, if you bring 3 people, you're having your commission. Don't you think it could also be from their end? Say, because of commission, into they are training panel on cons because it's pros and cons. That's all good side and bad side. So when to me and train we had maybe a yearly insurance. When to me and yearly usika farm or something. Maybe they focus on the sweet part. They could be back 1 million. That's why the misunderstanding is also coming from.
Yes.
Okay.
And that until I make us say education from agent points or sales people point of view we and many manager be for company for kasa or see agent back or ton 55 policies in a month.
Okay.
Me tina say or good for company who me till target. Maybe some who say the way me nya botre me cheche clients mu me have patient cheche clients mu nipa way by the time we be cheche nipa back mu to say 3 or 4 hours how na obetumi aye 50 in a month who say targets no so ma omo pente na ye policy no ube education no eye na BBC ube way omo nya botre be explaini asem no tre clients no me boss omo ni me 5 na metumi aye for the month 5 and him say my year ejuma papa because my integrity no important and agents no me use platform we be ka tre mo say no kre say we customers no we company person we bebre good but one kasa no bisa who say asema me katre mami and am katre papa yi ochinanku clients we baha be yet ni claim onya baby me ni Ghana mpo ana me ni company ni bio edim ben na nipa ni obe katre him say me tro and they say good name is better than riches. Inti good. Me ye be bresu. Me kasa me ye be bat. Me cheche umu. Inti yenya botre. Let's do need analysis.
Okay.
Michelle Sandy. Who say me bisa wawari. See there be. U oba. Aya. U papa tiase. Aye. U papa di fie sen. Or di 70. U mami di fie sen. Or di say. Now me who no Sandy u portfolio di mami.
Right.
Me diagnosis policy a memo.
Fatal. Okay.
Your first policy be your funeral policy.
Okay.
The second one be your wealth plan to plan for uba education. Now one kasa.
Okay.
Third one be your life plan. No, be taking care of critical illness, the cancer, ni prostate, and breast cancer and all that, and renal failure.
Okay.
Last one be your the education policy. Then the next step maybe someone say Sandy, say na ube to meet ya. Monthly.
Okay.
Ube hu obi washia tafla obi a oji 1,000 cedis a month. Wa ye policy 600 cedis now. Auntie, how can this policy go through? Nipa ni betumi atua because maka 1 million no. Eye ne de. Obaye no betua 1 month 2 months.
Ontumi
mbio.
Isi kanon so
What who say me ka say policy bu ha untua e na epa time a ube reinstate no sikanashi clients no feel say any beji they need G
no
these are the things esi
okay
yehu nti yell agents no so yesu ye wo ye de but clients no so omo so wo omo de omo ntua omo premiums no policies be wo ho a ontumi ntua obetumi aba office no beka say okay mo putting it on hold some education policies obetumi putting it on hold and time we are ready no obetumi ato aso policy be wo ho a o cancel o surrender ubenya bibi. So there's surrender and there's cancellation.
So that in case you come and be like, I've changed my mind, like, are you going to be funded or something?
Policies no. Ubenya sika u surrender.
Okay.
But for some or most policies u surrender unya shi.
Okay.
So ube signing up yes ubisa sa questions no.
Okay.
Say me surrender and I me cancel. There are two different things. Surrender can give you room for money.
Money.
But some who cancel, even with those ones that can have money, who ya cancellation
lost it.
so yet because there are surrender benefits on some, they are not on some.
Okay.
And the policies no as mekano omo differ. So it depended there uye.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Inti yede nkomo no end no obi still otie onhye dan jindi inti advice ben out be ma onipa say ya we interested in insurance so but said o can otie myth from people oh me koye anye say ya man ba e bia na onipa na okọ any policy no ya nchechwe mu yi ana said o can ni life no enema ewom emfa e no koye na anye yi ama no inti what advice will you give them or even if they are going to try the policies what education should they have on their own research they should do for themselves to understand tell be ya okona obi chechwe mu na onti ase ya so betimi busa questions no what choose the right policy for myself
no cranny say ebi mu beka say look at the ebi beka say ope ope policy on kavani mami.
Okay.
And says meaning say company be mu yesa but maybe say cover wa den na ebesi.
Okay.
Kwa when ebe to your premium no ma umami policy no.
Okay.
So the first thing we always say, love yourself first.
All right.
That is the things we say, love yourself first.
All right.
Right? Inti cover wuhu ansana over cover obi. That's the first thing me meka tre obi ubeto. Obi su say me wu sesia.
Okay.
Yeah, nim say obewu.
Okay.
Tafla chel arewa se mobile within weekend no say immigration officer no or call baby ena oka baby like my whole condolences.
Okay.
Some man no that day on him say baby okono and in ordinary will bring his death.
Okay.
I'm sure he won't go there. Right? Nobody know. Me free high me name say in the next 3 minutes maybe message say. Inti who say anything can happen in the next 1 minute.
Okay.
And when the giver of life or genie life to me say time nenso. That is one thing.
All right.
Number 2, ube bisa questions. Me cancel dear nebesi.
Yeah.
Me cancel so NC. Almost I knew we are. Policy be amount 30 days to come and cancel.
Okay.
We give you 30 days. Wait to ampoa or move to me refund the policy mo. G policy terms and conditional. Ne kind on to mean kind let's obi on kind mouth.
Okay.
Ne bisa questions.
Okay.
That is another thing. Now, claim processes no. Me person me ka claim. I always talk about claim process.
Okay.
Obi maybe ni mami wua odi obefa we bra obituary paper bra.
Okay.
Na odi beba asa me paucho say in a world of AI baby amiti between me aye Mr. Kojo obituary paper says see our me phone so
yeah.
It is not a legal document.
Okay.
My 10 years of experience, I have processed over 100 claims. No client has been denied claim before.
Okay.
And most of them don't even know my office. Maybe me a business and me catch and say, oh, who call your office na ye? And they are paid.
Okay.
Because from beginning, no, me sign you me send you documents I will be here. Oh, here, medical cause of death. Me paucho. It's here for munti me ye. You need medical cause of death.
Okay.
You need the person's ID card.
Okay.
And now who ID card. So medical cause of death or burial permit.
Death certificate.
Death certificate.
Okay.
Now, if you have the two, it is good. Me say, oh here, medical cause of death.
Okay.
Or death certificate. Uwo mienu na
good.
Usan here burial permits for in some cases. Here ID card. Who ID card? And the ID card of Nipano. So now ID card no me person me tre asebi mu. Obi ni mami din last month menya asembisa. Ni mami din yeah fine say Benedicta Wugah. And na odima insurance agents no.
Okay.
And na claim ni ba edi an ewo so adwa ata. Okay.
Okay.
Now, date of birth no. 11th June 1970.
Okay.
The Odima agent no.
Okay.
No. Adwa ata dia Odiba 12 October 1963. And na Odi ID card ni ba me paucho omu ye the same person. Even if date of birth no cry the same ye be can say maybe who say oba de yes san ye di ko ye kunu din ni we ye omu be hwemu even though omu be further investigation.
Okay.
Omu be hwemu.
All right.
So that is that part. Then oyasa nipa ni wu wo fia aha so na asem bebre efri.
Okay.
Nipa ni wu wo fia wo Ghana emremu Ghana law ni nipa wu wo fia yesa uko police station. Neji police report. Enya insurance company bisa. That is the Ghana law.
Okay.
And sa na ode nipa ni be den call mortuary. Because they want to ascertain a suicide and not then they nipa no. So you need police report. So yes, so nipa no wo fear and now we would through accident ye here police report. Oi was sanyama we mu ye be processing. Now ye nuamu kremufo ni nkrofo amu mfa amu nkrofo kwa mortuary. There here from ho ye letter from a legal person. Either a lawyer, an MP, an assemblyman, an imam, say a wall letterhead so.
Okay.
Ufatu to say Alhaji Ibrahim we free mo on the 10th of blah blah blah.
Okay.
Udebeba. Omutu omu burial permit. Udi burial permits kan ni ID card ni pane ID card ni nyina ebe we. Say sa we na uhia for claim. Medicals ni dia here doctors reports ni sanyamamu.
Alright.
Claim ni ba go camp kasatre company no fra company na bisa ansana uba so that udi nyama we ni nyina ba within maximum in the industry today within 10 working days ube nya wo claim.
Okay. All right. Entina na inkofo text. Okay. Wait, I'm a message back. Me pacho wa question na person on friend na bisa na number ni 0243909909 now so wa friend what me bisa o question fe. Okay, this one is coming from Nasio. Say Sandy, please ask her what if you don't have medical cause of death but obituary or death certificate. Oh, okay.
I said it's medical cause of death or death certificate.
Okay.
We don't the obituary paper. We don't really need it. We don't need it. So medical cause of death or death certificate.
Okay.
Either or two no so fine.
Okay. But show me for coin yinti. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Oh, want me engine so patcho sanfre bi mu na yentimi embusa o question ni ma ofefe number ni 0243909909. Hello, good morning. Hello. Me patcho sa ofre mi a lower radio no de bia me kasa se me mesrel pa dum na na atwe hu fi wo kran se be ya ofra ubetie no akasa na mate na nkomo no akofa ne ne atimi ate ye honka enti want me engine so na ba ne 0243909909. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Boss, Pacho din baby afre mi fi.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Pacho din baby afre mi fi. Okay. Pacho yen o question be na wo.
What am I saying? The car na mi tano. Papa. No toka on the 13th.
Okay.
I register car on 13th insurance. Why insurance ya on the 13th? Me papa we no ne ba ne immediate there.
Okay.
Me bibia o me papa insurance and co bibia to papa until now. I'm so get out man. The person be say insurance cover for there.
Okay. Pacho, no question wahu.
But
Okay. You. Yeah, Pacho, o say o papa talk wahu.
hello.
Pacho, what mean ka? Pacho, madam says Sansi Subium. Also, papa talk can already stand the 13th and I'm a boy.
Papa 13. Well, insurance not now.
Okay.
But being accident that. When you be happy, I can't them. I told papa we are never family car no. Never family car now. Insurance in the same she happy now. The people say insurance a conversion.
Okay. All right. Yo, yeah, tell me answer my why.
Mate.
Okay, insurance no me nye expert wo car insurance no ho.
Okay.
I'm expert in life.
All right.
But the minimum say car insurance cover against accident depending or yeah comprehensive or third party
Okay.
cover. And insurance no cover or car no. BBC wo car ne ho.
Okay.
Ena ombetua. However, ni papa owu ankasa onu a owu ukai me in my presentation me see because ebimu ye compulsory say omun cover omun can nti omun be cover but onu a otri can no on cover ne ho.
Okay.
Nti me nim say ni papa akava ne ho ana or car no pe.
Okay.
Nti car ne pe the other one onu take it over.
She knew her.
You just continue.
Okay.
Till ebe expire.
Okay.
Follow us on all social media platforms at Breeze909.